All right, Matt the Mortgage Guy here with a quick and exciting update with appraisals. As anybody in the real estate or mortgage industry knows, appraisals are a big pain point right now. They're expensive, takes a long time to get them back. And so United Wholesale Mortgage announced today that live October 1st, Appraisal Direct is something they're going to do. They are going to essentially cut out the middleman, the AMC, and have appraisers sign up directly with them. What this is going to do is allow the appraisers to get every single dime. Client pays $450 for the appraisal, $450 goes to the appraiser. They pay $500, the whole $500 goes to the appraiser. United Wholesale Mortgage is going to have 100 plus people working on the team to make sure they're assigned, make sure they're completed, make sure they're back to the client as soon as possible. Not going to take a fee for that. They're just going to do that to help brokers win and help consumers have a better, cleaner, faster experience. So exciting news. Can't wait till it goes live on October 1st. Can't wait to continue to serve people at a high level.